If your Apple Watch says lock to owner or iCloud activation lock, and you think the watch is completely useless, this video might actually save your device. Every year, thousands of people buy or reset an Apple Watch, only to get stuck on the activation lock screen. At that moment, most people think there's no solution because the watch asks for the previous owner's Apple ID and password. And if you don't have that information, the watch basically becomes a paperweight. But here's something most people don't know. There are actually a few hidden methods that may help you remove or bypass the Apple Watch iCloud activation lock. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the latest methods step by step. And the best part? You don't need a computer, you don't need iTunes, and you don't need the previous owner's Apple ID to try this method. But there is one important rule. You must watch this video carefully from start to finish and follow every step exactly the way I show you. Because if you skip even one step, the method might not work properly on your Apple Watch. Before we start, do me a quick favor. If this video helps you, hit the like button. Share this video with someone who has the same problem. And subscribe to the channel because I upload helpful videos about Apple devices, unlocking methods, and fixing common iPhone and Apple Watch issues. And if this method doesn't work on your Apple Watch, don't panic. Just go down to the comments section and tell me your Apple Watch model, and I'll try to help you find another possible solution. All right, now let's start the process and see how you can unlock your Apple Watch iCloud activation lock step by step.